Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for another video. We are here again for another video. This time we're gonna be seeing a single box braid. Yep, it's really difficult on my side to braid. I know people will be wondering if why I don't braid. Right, guys, that's because I'm really busy. Yeah, I'm busy, so that's why a lot of time I do styling. So but I think few times I will be trying the single braid. I will be trying to braid and do all the other styles that people would like to watch. All the other styles that I would like to do too also. So as you can see, I had already done one, which is not really that good because I'm gonna take it out after getting this one done. Yes, I will have to redo the first one I did already because I realize it's way bigger than the one I'm actually doing right now. So braiding, you gotta know how to switch around, because if you don't know how to switch around, your braid will be very twisted. So when you braid, you gotta know how to, you have to twist the way I just twisted right now, and that way it's gonna look smooth and like straight, smooth and straight. Yeah, it's not that easy to break the lines from side to side. Yeah, this is a medium size box braid. I did one some time ago, but I wasn't that good. But I know this one is gonna be better than the other one. It actually looks better than the first one. You know, when you don't do something frequently, it doesn't, you know, at some point you will have to make some errors. Yeah, frequent doing and frequent something, like when you do something always, you see how you improve. Like I told you, I will have to come back to do the one I already did without you seeing it. Yeah, because for some reason it was bigger, or my hair was sticking out. No, as I was braiding and going further, I realized that those ones that had my hair sticking out, I had to go back behind the camera to do it again. You see, this is what I'm trying to get it. You know, this is where I'm trying to get to. So you realize that whenever I do my hair, I always try to split in the middle. But at some point, the middle, the middle styling, the split, I have to put them together. No, you have to find a way on how to get your hair done. We have people that are good in splitting from side to side. We have people that are good in splitting from front to back or back to front. Some people just do it haphazardly. It all depends on the individual, how you want a hair to look like. So I started on this side. When I got done on this side, I went to the other side, and the middle part was the part that was left. So I try to make sure I do something that's going to make my hair look clean and clear, and my lines clear. It might not be very clear like when someone actually does your hair for you, because no, do it yourself is not as perfect as when someone does it for you. Because when the person that's doing it for you is able to split the line clearly, because he or she is able to see the scar, is able to see your head. You can't see your own head. Do it yourself is not an easy task to handle. Many out there will confirm how it felt like when you just got started. Yeah, do it yourself is it's a sacrifice. That is why many people can't actually handle this do it yourself hairstyle. But I think it's beginning to be something that many females or many people are getting interested in, because going to the salon is expensive. Having someone doing it for you to pay, you can, you feel the money that you give out. So no, this thing I could handle myself instead of giving my money out. But at some point, some occasion, some event will cause you to have someone do your hair for you. Like splitting this side, I prefer. For some reason I decided to do this front one before doing the back one. For some reason, I don't know why, but I felt like the back hair was gonna disturb me, so I decided to do the front hair. Guys, I think I've been talking for like 5 to 6 minutes. We gotta play some sound. I'm still on the run to get the front one down, guys. Yep, that is not that easy. It took me about 3 hours and so, because I have to keep repeating some braid that didn't look good for the viewers, and the ones that had the hair sticking out, I had to go back to redo it to fit in my hair in between the braid, because when your hairs are sticking out, your braid will look rough. So you don't want your hair sticking out when you are braiding, especially you have extreme natural hair. Those with the extreme natural hair, you gotta be careful, and that's why a lot of time many people use gel. Gel is not just for fancy. There's a reason for gel. There's a reason why people use gel, to make their hair look smoother. Yeah, back in the days, parents never cared when they used to do hair to children, to kids. They don't care using gel, but now it's what we do in our modern generation of today. Gel, you gotta use it to help make your hair look brighter. You realize that I just finished redoing the very first braid on the right side, the one on the other side. Yeah, like I just told you from the beginning of the video, that whenever a braid doesn't look good, you gotta go back to fix it, because no one is ready to watch an ugly video, like ugly single braid. No, I know it might not be so perfect when when someone does it for you, but no, at least you gotta still make it look good. So before coming to this left side, I make sure I have to redo the very first one on the right side, guys. As always, you need to know how to switch around. It doesn't matter what position this braid is. You gotta know how to twist your hand, twist your head. No, and make sure when you braiding, do not tighten up the root of the hair, because many people have tender scars. Some might get wounded, some might get headache. No, you don't want to get sick after getting a good hairstyle done. Make sure you take good care of your hair, your stuff, your scar. So I make sure I don't get my root so tied up, because I don't want to get sick after this. So, but that doesn't mean that my braids are not strong. So you see how my hair, there's this extension that stick out. Like when I turn around, you're gonna see. So I pretty much went back to fix it. At the end of the video, you will realize that that area has been fixed. Yeah, I had to go back to fix it behind the camera. Yeah, no one will tell you unless you feel it with your hands or You can check in the mirror, because after every section I gotta look at it myself in the video. Like, I gotta watch my video to see where it's wrong, that way I can fix it. Sometimes we forget, sometimes we over cross it, we overlook at it. So you see, I do like attach, I do like a knotless. When I realized that this area, the hair was short, I had to add up. You see, we call it knotless braid. You add it up as you braid. You add it up as you braid. But it wasn't actually a knotless medium braid. It's like a box braid itself. I will do the knotless the next time I make another video. Guys, unlike the first line, that is like the first line beside, like I first of all started by doing the one on the front before doing the one that follows behind. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. For some reason, I want to do the front first, and I don't know, this is just the way I feel like doing it. No, you can do yours the way you want it to. No, it doesn't matter. You don't have to follow my own footstep. People are different. People do things differently. So it's just the way you feel like doing things sometimes. No, someone might be saying, "Oh, she hasn't done the back one. Why would she do the front one?" So that is just the way I feel like doing it. So it's done now. We go to the back ones. It is just, I'm just being just my own way. It's just me, like me, and you have to do yours just like your own self. You gotta know how to put the hairs together and start braiding, making sure part of it is smaller than the other side. When you split the hairs together, one side has to be smaller than the other. So guys, I can't tell you how I feel right now. I can't express my feelings, but I'll tell you I feel so happy. I'm so excited that I kind of improve on this single braid compared to the one I did 5 months ago. Like I told you, when you fail the first time, it doesn't mean that you keep failing, no? We learn every day. It's a continuous learning process. Life is a continual learning process. You do not fail the first time and you feel discouraged. But I will tell you, it's just that I haven't had the time. I'm so busy. It's not that easy to sit down and get a single braid done. But it's easier to style, no? Styling won't take that long. That's why most of my videos, I come out with styling. Yeah, in case you're wondering, no, it's not that easy to have the time.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I want shopping. It's my life.
So guys, look at that one. I just fixed it. And it was really rough. Like I said, you won't see a creator coming out with an ugly video unless he or she didn't notice it. See, we try the best we can to make things happen. it's not that easy. No, we are not experts. Coming online, trying to get some stuff done, trying to show the world our capabilities. So that doesn't say we know it all. If I am doing something, doesn't mean I'm better than you. It's just that I feel like this is what I should do for myself on my channel. This is what I want to get myself busy on. So it doesn't mean that I know more than you and I'm so knowledgeable that many of you out there know. That's not what it means. I just want to get things done on my own personal lifestyle, on my own personal time. Get it? So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that I just did another single braid. Share, share, share. Comment, comment, comment. Thank you. Bye bye.